29 forecast.
And it's certainly nice to be outside today. There's the view currently from the Charlottesville camera. We've had that mix of clouds and sunshine. Some of us have seen some thunder showers, and we'll look at the radar in just a moment. 87 our daytime high, 83 currently. It's not overly humid. Dew point values in the upper 50s to low 60s. Had a 1/10 of an inch of rain from earlier this afternoon. It's 78 right now at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, 83 the afternoon high. And you can see some other numbers. Got 87 in Louisa, 84 in Culpeper. It's 85 currently in Buckingham, and a couple 77s from Harrisonburg to Stanton, 67 on the mountain at Wintergreen. Over the last several hours, you can see some of the showers and thunderstorms that have worked through. Right now, we zoom in on area right near the Rapidan River, drifting deeper into Orange County. This moved to the south of Madison, Rhoda, along 230, Route 15, headed toward Montpelier and Orange. Woodbury Forest, you have a thunder shower in progress here as it continues to drift east-southeast. So again, through at least sunset, we'll run the risk of a shower or thunderstorm, but a lot of locations will remain dry. A little disturbance coming through, hoping to trigger that this afternoon. Temperatures overnight, most of us in the low 60s, could be a few upper 50s north and west. A nice Friday. It won't be too humid. Temperatures pretty seasonable, mid to upper 80s, and a good amount of sunshine. Head into the weekend, a little different story. We're going to jump into the 90s, the heat and humidity building. Saturday looks largely dry for us. Sunday could feature some scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. And as we move into the weekend, you may have heard it on national news. We've covered it, this Saharan dust layer. Now, this is something that does occur. It's just the fact that this one is more robust in decades, really, moving across the Atlantic waters from West Africa. And right now, the concentration of that Saharan dust is across the southeast, Florida, the Gulf coastal region. We go through the weekend now, it'll shift more off to the north and east, but the larger concentration across the southeast. But as we get into this weekend, again, it may enhance some of the sunrises and sunsets, and it'll make for some hazy skies. So we'll see how that plays out. Again, larger concentration of that to our south, but maybe something to look at. Here we go with the satellite radar combination. Got a front that's off to our south and east, a little disturbance coming through, and that's helped to trigger some of the showers and storms out there. It's not overly humid. You can see some of the drier air, lower numbers in terms of the dew point values off to our west, but again, upper 50s, low 60s for many of us. So again, early this evening, shower, thunder shower, quiet overnight. We'll start tomorrow morning in the low to middle 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, a nice day, mid to upper 80s, seasonably warm. And as we head into Saturday, in the morning, a little bit more muggy. Winds are more southerly on Saturday. The heat, humidity building, most of us in the low 90s. Saturday looks largely dry. Cold front that's working down from the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley. It'll be humid and hot in advance of it. By Sunday afternoon, some scattered showers and storms, and this front kind of may hang out as we get into the first part of next week, giving rise to more showers and storms. So an evening shower storm, otherwise partly cloudy. A fairly comfortable night, most of us in the lower 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures on the rise. Again, humidity fairly low tomorrow, but that will change as we move into the weekend, along with the return of those 90-degree numbers. Low 90s here Saturday and largely dry. Some showers and storms as we head into Sunday afternoon, and then early next week, temperatures back in the 80s with at least a daily chance of some showers and storms. Casey and Steve.